What if I told you your current operating system holds you back? What if there's a better way to work, play, and create? Today, we dive deep into the world of Fedora Linux, a system that's quietly changing the game. We'll uncover its hidden strengths, why it's gaining so much traction, and how it stacks up against the mainstream. Get ready to challenge your assumptions about what an operating system can and should be. Fedora doesn't just offer an operating system, it offers a vision for the future of computing. It introduced atomic, reversible updates, meaning you could always roll back to a working state. Fedora Workstation defaults to GNOME on Wayland, offering a sleek, modern, and highly responsive desktop experience. Even Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux himself, uses Fedora, a strong endorsement if ever there was one. Fedora is not just another Linux distribution, it's a trailblazer.
Different. I've been using Fedora for a few months now, and the more I use
it's a robust, community-driven platform that serves as the upstream for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This means that the innovations you see in Fedora often find their way into professional, enterprise-grade systems. Imagine using an operating system that's a playground for cutting-edge technology, yet remains remarkably stable. It operates on a predictable release cycle, offering new versions every 6 months with generous support periods. November 5, 2003 marked the inaugural release of Fedora Core 1, codenamed Era. It was groundbreaking, shipping with GNOME 2.4 on Linux 2.4.19, a true community-driven effort. Fast forward to May 18, 2004, and Fedora Core 2, tightening, made history. It was the first Fedora release to enable SE Linux by default, greatly enhancing system security. It also transitioned from x386 to Xvogue, introducing Linux 2.6 and GNOME 2.6 to users. Fedora is known for its pioneering spirit in adopting new technologies. Think of it as the early bird that catches the worm, but in the tech world, that worm is often a groundbreaking feature. On November 8, 2007, Fedora 8, Werewolf, brought Pulse Audio as the default sound server. This significantly improved volume control and USB headset support for everyone. Then came January 15, 2013 with Fedora 18, Spherical Cow. This release introduced UEFI Secure Boot support, a critical security feature, and replaced diptables with Firewall. It also debuted the FedUp System Upgrade utility and a rewritten Anaconda installer, making installation smoother than ever. Fedora is a distribution where you're always getting the latest stable software, not the bleeding edge that breaks things, but the cutting edge that works.
that's also stable. Fedora was
First to adopt Wayland, ensuring a modern graphics stack. On May 26, 2015, Fedora 22 swapped out the old YUM for the faster DNF package manager. This drastically improved dependency resolution, making software management quicker. November 22, 2016. saw Fedora 25 cement Wayland as the default display server for GNOME Workstation. This enhanced security through sandboxing and provided incredibly smooth frame presentation. October 30th, 2018 gave us Fedora 29 and the birth of Fedora Silverblue. This was the first immutable desktop variant, built on RPM Austri with flatback for application delivery. It introduced atomic, reversible updates, meaning you could always roll back to a working state. October 27, 2020 brought Fedora 33 Workstation, which defaulted to BTRFS. This advanced file system, combined with ZRAM swap, further optimized performance and stability. Fedora EOT also became an official addition, joining server, Core OS, and cloud offerings. It's a testament to Fedora's commitment to supporting diverse computing needs. Looking ahead to April 15, 2025, Fedora Silverblue 42 continues its immutable design. It will feature GNOME 46 and contain a native OS tree support, streamlining workflows. But with all this innovation, many wonder, is it truly stable enough for everyday use?
And Fedora, in my experience with it,
Been rock solid. Actually, yes. Fedora maintains a remarkable balance between new features and rock-solid stability. It's built on the foundations of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, a system renowned for its dependability in critical environments. The community behind Fedora is vast and active, providing extensive documentation and quick support. You're not alone on this journey. Any question you have, someone in the community has probably asked and answered it. Fedora enables security features like SE Linux and Firewall by default. These aren't optional add-ons, they are integrated from the ground up, providing a strong security posture without the extra effort. It's like having a digital bodyguard that's always on duty. The use of RPM and DNF for package management ensures fast and reliable software installations and updates. No more waiting for ages for your system to catch up, or wondering if an update will break everything.
is something that I never really had.
Any other Linux distro. Fedora Workstation defaults to GNOME on Wayland, offering a sleek, modern, and highly responsive desktop experience. And for those who prefer other environments, Fedora offers multiple spins like KDE, XSE, and Cinnamon. It's about choice and flexibility without compromising on quality. The Anaconda installer, backed by extensive official documentation, makes getting started surprisingly easy. Even if you're new to Linux, Fedora aims to make your first experience a pleasant one.
Kind of insane. The installation process was so fast and simple.
It sets itself apart by its dedication to incorporating the latest, most stable technologies.
When the freeze happens. So Fedora is
quicker when it comes to updates compared to many other distributions.
Fedora does not fall far behind.
Literally had no idea how big the Fedora community is. It's massive. The fact that it's based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux means it inherits incredible stability. Fedora is a semi-rolling release distro, meaning it updates software continuously but ensures it's heavily tested. This strikes a fantastic balance. You get new features without the constant fear of your system breaking. Unlike some other distributions that might leave you with outdated software, Fedora keeps you current. On January 15th, 2013, Fedora 18 added UEFI secure boot support. This is a big deal, especially for those who need to dual boot with Windows and play competitive games that require it. It saves you the hassle of constantly going into your BIOS. Fedora 36 includes GNOME 42 right out of the box, with minimal bloat and no pre-installed extensions. This gives you a solid, clean canvas to build your ideal desktop experience exactly how you want it. It's a truly blank slate, ready for your personal touch. The installation process is incredibly simple, making it accessible even for Linux newcomers. No complicated command line gymnastics here, just a smooth, graphical setup. Fedora's commitment to security is not just about features, it's about practices.
He's ahead of many others. Fedora
Security enhanced Linux by default, giving you mandatory access controls and hardened packages. It's a serious layer of protection that many other distros don't offer out of the box. Plus, it embraces modern technologies like Pipewire for audio, Wayland for display, and Flatpak for sandboxed applications. This means better privacy and system isolation for your peace of mind. Fedora also offers easy options for full disk encryption right from the installation. This ensures your data is protected from unauthorized access, even if your device falls into the wrong hands. It's a foundational security measure that's simple to enable, but incredibly powerful. Many other Linux users praise the experience of using Fedora as a daily driver.
With Fedora has been stellar thanks to this. Flatpak is wonderfully integrated.
They love the stability, the absence of frustrating issues, and the seamless background updates. It's the kind of reliable system that just works, allowing you to focus on your tasks, not troubleshooting. The integration of Flatpak means you can get all your applications easily and securely. It's a modern way to manage software that ensures compatibility and isolation. Fedora offers a vanilla GNOME experience, meaning it leaves the desktop environment largely untouched. This is great for productivity, eliminating unnecessary clutter and tweaks. The result is an efficient and focused workspace that truly feels like your own. Updates are exciting again, rather than something to dread.
I used to get when I was using Ubuntu.
You get new features, improved security, and modern technologies right as they are released. It keeps your system fresh and cutting edge. Fedora is a current distro, giving you the latest kernels, desktop environments, and drivers. It manages to deliver this without sacrificing stability, a feat many others struggle with. Switching to Fedora might require learning a new package manager like DNF, but the community resources are abundant. There are active forums and guides for everything, ensuring you're never truly stuck. Fedora 36 comes with GNOME 32, which means quick updates. It's about continually moving forward, not incremental changes. The shift away from older desktop paradigms might feel different at first. For example, the absence of minimize and maximize buttons on every window. But once you adapt to Fedora's workflow, you'll find it incredibly efficient. It's designed to prioritize quick access through keyboard shortcuts and an intuitive overview. Fedora is often seen as being ahead of its time, a true leap forward. Moving on to Wayland as the default display server improves security and overall performance. It features triple buffering for smoother animations, especially on lower-end hardware, and with HDR support for compatible displays, your visual experience will be stunning. Fedora even includes a built-in screen time feature, reminding you to take breaks. It's an operating system that genuinely cares about your well-being. The new installer in Fedora 42 is a game changer, making setup quicker and easier than ever. It's so streamlined that an installation can be completed in under 7 minutes on modern hardware, and if you're operating from a previous Fedora version, it's as simple as clicking a button. Fedora is not just about the technical specs, it's about the overall user experience. It offers a comprehensive set of default software from Firefox to LibreOffice. Plus, it has built-in virtualization support, allowing you to spin up virtual machines right away through GNOME boxes. No extra tweaks needed, it just works perfectly out of the box.
Everything just seems to work. Touchpad gestures, system updates, you name it.
Fedora's approach to Linux is hard to beat. It brings together the best of all worlds, the ease of beginner-friendly distros, the cutting edge of rolling releases, and the stability of enterprise solutions. It truly challenges the idea that you have to choose between a simple-to-use system and a powerful, modern one. The installation process is as easy as any beginner distro like Ubuntu or Mint, yet, under the hood, it offers superior privacy and security by default. Fedora also provides various desktop environments directly on its site, including Cinnamon, if you prefer a Windows-like feel, and for Pop, OS users, GNOME is the default on Fedora, delivering a very similar experience with GNOME 42. The freedom to change desktop environments easily means you're not locked into one local workflow. It's a powerful testament to Linux's core philosophy of choice. Fedora's package manager, DNF, is sometimes seen as less popular than others, but with Flatpak and the Graphical Software Center, everyday users can avoid the command line altogether if they wish. Fedora is a distribution that ticks almost every box for most users and threat models. Its balanced approach to innovation, security, and usability makes it truly exceptional. Even Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux himself, uses Fedora, a strong endorsement if ever there was one.
The reason Linus Torvalds himself
Uses Fedora. Fun side note, but Fedora Silverblue is just an extension of all of this that we're super excited to cover someday, as it takes these strengths from workstation to the extreme. But what does the future hold for Fedora, and why should you consider it? Fedora Silverblue, with its immutable design, is poised to take these strengths to the extreme. Atomic updates and Flatpak integration make it an incredibly stable and consistent environment. Imagine a system that almost never breaks, offering complete peace of mind. Fedora is evolving beyond just being a desktop OS. It offers special editions for servers, EOT devices, and cloud deployments. It's a versatile ecosystem providing tailored solutions for diverse computing needs. Fedora is backed by Red Hat, providing a robust, professionally supported framework. This partnership ensures long-term viability and access to extensive resources. It's not a fly-by-night project, it's here to stay and innovate. If you're looking for an operating system that embraces the future, prioritizes security, and offers a smooth, reliable experience, Fedora is your answer. It's a journey worth taking, offering growth and learning, even if you're new to Linux. Don't be afraid to try something new. Your computing experience might just be revolutionized. Now, if you're ready to dive deeper into the nuts and bolts of daily driving Fedora, discover how it handled real-world tasks and what it's really like to live with it day to day.
Is Fedora really the best? Or is
The grass always going to be greener on the other side? You won't believe what it can do for your workflow and your digital life. See you there. Click this video to unravel the secrets of Fedora as a main workstation. Don't miss out on transforming your computing journey. It's all waiting for you with a single click. Your next digital adventure begins now.